lurba tanjasi or abani asigi tangkak asidati hariba opportunity have tare situation se opportunity don thopagi mathau su tagani aduga hariba point manga have tare point manga resolution manga asidi yari wafum singa sisu munna khangbam changi masida masidi yada yagani habagi wakal londa yamna line lauraga masida sign na kumba tokthokpa hari mamang dos memorandum lenga ka sign tona ba mayam le adu hariba memorandum lenga na ngak na sakhi daba mayam le aduna memorandum amugi mongda sign tokthokra loire habi mongda toram targadi madudana future dasu amu hena chauba Miam gi awaba mo ini aduna madu mamta len yamna clean oiba lambi amada sanction nuge tamakta lakadri anuba in case if anuba lenga ma halakada utar gadi aduna sanction nu phagani otherwise sanction udo tar gadi matam chupulo le one line da thamiro
one line da ki balkanization ja ina sina bas nuai ti negative way na su su thoi faida balkanize tawroi masi mota khoina haiba ya basi union territory kaita ai sai khalam bani ne union territory phangaro haiba gi nization no ta aduna phane
okay
asla union territory khatam
no this is a question ne koi balkanize torni habnati makoi ki demand do balkanize torno ki demand hai jabni we are not supporting balkanization but we are raising question against demand for balkanization
makela hani why do le union territory khatam-nization hai do
khatam-nization okay
balkanization bahut sida hoji ki kaino cookie gi MLA hai tare ei cookie ne hai riba subscribe to hiyo MLA do ama ta tho ba Manipur gi why UT state gi se chief minister ma pire se ba duga Manipur thogai ba ngambra amta mo tongning ba to su center ga thogai nan biro ko je anywhere let them be the chief minister
never ever dream about balkanization of the state of Manipur madu hek dream toraba madu gi mayokta all the media in Manipur will be speaking against those people who dream about balkanization of the state, who thinks about balkanization of state, division of the state. And when we say against those people who dream about balkanization of the state, then they think media are biased against them. No, we are not against anybody. We are not biased against anybody. We are in support of everyone who is in support of the integrity of Manipur. So let's support for the integrity of the Manipur and the people of Manipur. Haibugi wakalon sida makatana balkanize to bugi deadline puthokpiraganu madu duna ngasai uzan thamir baina union territory khatam-nization gi deadline ohen view haibugi wakalon so that deadline will be khatam-nization of UTs by 2027 March haibugi wakalon sida ngasigi the Manipur files ki edition se matang solution jargi ngasigi